Got it? What's your name?
Ethan.
Ethan, where are you from?
Livermore.
Livermore. You ready? For the Atomic Chili Challenge? Hold on 1 second. Get the official time clock getting going.
Damn.
Alright. And mark. Get set. Enjoy.
Got 15 minutes on the way.
Oh, whoa. Gotta eat it all.
I'm gonna eat off the table. Oh, it's on me already.
It's on me already. Take a picture in 5 minutes.
Whoa.
Spicy?
Oh, it's already giving me. Whoa. I'm sure you've seen this a lot. Whoa. Woo! Damn, bro, this is harder than my dad's chili. Whoa!
Keep going, buddy. You gotta keep going.
Don't wipe your eyes. Don't wipe your eyes.
No, I ain't. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Bro, you only got
going.
15 minutes.
This is not enjoyable at all.
Enjoyable for you, bro. I'm not gonna laugh.
Wow.
I would have paid for it if I would have known it was in this one. On delay, bro. You only got 15
2 minutes down. 2
Keep
minutes
going.
down.
You're already 2 minutes down, bro. Don't let it get worse. You gotta get that shit down.
Tyler.
Oh my
Come on,
god,
boy.
dude.
Come on. You can do it. Take another bite. Take another bite. You just gotta get it all down. And then you win.
That ain't. Oh.
He's serious.
Even I can't handle this, dude. Oh my god.
You gotta try, bro. You need to try.
2 minutes. 2.5 minutes.
Bro, you only got one bite. You only got one bite.
Oh my god, I can't even do it, dude. I get. Wow.
You done?
Give me my damn water bottle. Oh my god.
Don't touch it. You wanna try?
Nah.
Yeah, stop.
Oh
You can
god,
take the
son of a. Oh my. Woo.
And you say he's a badass.
Oh my
He's
god.
like, no, it's cool. It's cool.
What the hell did you put in that shit?
They put fire.
Oh my god.
They put straight flame.
I am sorry for the language.